What is a database? It is an organized collection of data which includes a collection of schemas, tables, queries, reports, views, and other objects. Functions of a database. The first function would be it is used to store data. Second function would be it sets rules that determine specific users that are allowed to access the database. Third function would be it enables multiple users to access the database simultaneously without affecting the integrity of the database. The fourth function would be it refers to the data safety and integrity. Types of databases. The first type would be a centralized database. A centralized database is located and stored and maintained in a single location. The second type of database would be a distributed database. It is a database in which all information is stored on multiple physical locations. Advantages of a database. It reduces data redundancy, reduced updating errors, and increased consistency. Improved data security, improved data access to users through the use of host and query languages. The disadvantages of using a database. Database systems are complex, difficult, and time-consuming to design. Substantial hardware and software startup costs are involved. Damage to database affects virtually all application programs. Extensive conversion costs in moving from a file-based system to a database system. Initial training required for all programmers and users is required. What is the Internet? The Internet is a worldwide telecommunication system that provides connectivity for millions of other smaller networks, often referred to as a network of networks. It allows computer users to communicate with each other across distances and other computer platforms. It acts as a pipeline to transport messages from one network to another network. How does the Internet work? Computers on the Internet can be divided into two categories: servers and browsers. Servers are where most of the information on the Internet lives. They store information, they share information with other servers, and make the information available to the general public. Browsers are what people use to access the World Wide Web from any standard computer. When you connect your computer to the Internet, you are connecting to a special type of server which is provided and operated by the Internet Service Provider, ISP. The job of the ISP server is to provide the link between your browser and the rest of the Internet. A single ISP server handles the Internet connections of many individual browsers. There may be thousands of other people connected to the same server that you are connected to right now.
Advantages of the Internet: information, knowledge, and learning. The Internet contains an endless supply of knowledge and information that allows you to learn about almost any topic or question you may have. Connectivity, communication, and sharing. In the past, it would take days and sometimes even months to receive a letter from someone else. Today, with the Internet, you can send a message to anyone in the world using social media or mail system and have your message delivered immediately. Banking, bills, and shopping. By use of Internet or cell phone banking, the Internet gives you access to the bank services at any time of the day. Online shopping is another huge advantage of the Internet, to be able to view and buy products without visiting the physical shop. Disadvantages of the Internet: bullying, trolls, stalkers, and crime. With much more and people sharing information on the Internet, it is also much easier for the stalkers to find personal information about people and their family. Connection between database and the Internet. As we all know that we use database to store structured data and information. The database can be used to store and retrieve data in the websites or applications. Databases make it easier to reuse data or information in online applications and websites. For example, when creating a dynamic website, you might want to store or retrieve users' information and also to store media data such as videos or pictures for online shopping stores.
Created using Powtoon.